viewers, this is a story that will make your blood boil. It's about how the entitled VVIP brat thinks the roads of India, built by the taxpayer money, are their fiefdom. They believe that they can get away with anything and everything just because they have money. Meet Gaurav Ahuja, a spoiled brat who parked his BMW right in the middle of the road only to urinate at a busy traffic junction with several people around. The incident is a shocker from Pune. If this wasn't enough, he also brazened it out by flashing at the citizen who made a video of this despicable act. Seconds later, Gaurav Ahuja also sped off with a smirk. In this video, his friend, who is sitting inside the car, is reportedly seen holding a liquor bottle as well. The video has ignited a firestorm of outrage among netizens who are demanding strict action against the offender. After the footage went viral, the Deputy Commissioner of Pune Police also announced that Gaurav Ahuja has been charged with several offences, including indecent behaviour and hindering traffic.
आज सकाळी 7:30 वाजण्याच्या दरम्यान येरवडा पोलीस स्टेशनच्या हद्दीतील शास्त्रीनगर चौकामध्ये एका तरुणानं चारचाकी वाहनातून येऊन जे अश्लील आणि अश्लाघ्य वर्तन केलेलं होतं त्याबाबत पोलीस स्टेशन येरवडा या ठिकाणी भारतीय न्याय संहिता कलम 100 भारतीय न्याय संहितेच्या कलम 268 270 281 285 आणि मुंबई पोलीस अधिनियमच्या कलम 110 112 त्याचप्रमाणे मोटर वाहन अधिनियम कलम 184 185 अन्वये अपराध क्रमांक 168/25 प्रमाणे दाखल करण्यात आलेला आहे. लवकरच आम्ही आरोपींना ताब्यात घेत आहोत.
So viewers, what do you think is the action that should be taken against such VVIP brats who behave in this entitled and vulgar fashion and then also are brazen about it? What is the action that should be taken, and why is it that these VVIP brats believe that they can get away with anything and everything? We want to hear from you viewers. The numbers are at the bottom of your screens. Call us and tell us your opinion on the same. In fact, we have Punya Singh joining us from Jaipur. Thank you for joining us. Punya Singh ji, what do you think is the action that should be taken? What explains this horrid behavior?
Yeah, are you getting my voice, ma'am?
Yes, please go on.
Yeah, my take is the issue is not with our country's development. The big issue is the civic sense among people. Being nationalist or patriotic on social media is not enough. We must apply it in the real world scenarios, such as taking care of public resources. I especially request Government of India to make strong laws regarding this on the behalf of people.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us. So there is a lot of outrage over the same, with many saying that there should be strict action that should be taken. There should be a deterrent because this cannot be allowed. Look at the visuals on your screens. The man parks his BMW right in the middle of the road, obstructing other vehicles, and then gets down only to urinate at a very busy junction with several people seen around. And the door is left open, inconvenience many others, and yet nothing done. And when a citizen records this video, the man gets inside his vehicle and also flashes to him. We have, of course, cut out those visuals, and he is seen speeding away from there. In fact, after the authorities promised that the Pune VVIP brat would face consequences for his act, Gaurav Ahuja, the man who is seen in this video, has released a short video in which he said that he would present himself to the police and also requested that his family members should not be troubled.
मी पुढचे 8 तासात येरवडा डिव्हिजनला हाजीर होणार आहे. विनंती करतो, प्लीज माझे कुठलेही फॅमिली मेंबरला त्रास देऊ नका. मी पुढचे 8 तासात येरवडा डिव्हिजनला हाजीर होणार आहे. विनंती करतो, प्लीज माझे कुठलेही फॅमिली मेंबरला त्रास देऊ नका.
So Gaurav Ahuja, the man who was seen in this vulgar display, is now saying, don't disturb my family members. What about the family members, or what about the people who were out on the streets and were subject to this vulgarity? In fact, Gaurav Ahuja has been involved in various gambling-related businesses as well, such as running a poker game racket, cricket match betting, etc. Gaurav Ahuja has also reportedly been investigated by the police officials for consuming drugs. In fact, there are these antecedents that he has as well that raises several questions on if these are his antecedents, have the police officials taken enough action? What makes him believe that he can get away with anything, including this public act of indecency? My colleague Arunil Sararekar is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Arunil, the fact that there are so many antecedents also raises the question, what allowed him to be so brazen about it? Is it that feeling that every time there's a case against me, I get away with it and nobody can do anything to me because I have the money for it?
Well, Pratibha, this is the epitome of VVIP brat culture. Like, you know who my father is. I own money. I can get away with any kind of crime that I commit. This is the behavior that needs to be curtailed, because what has happened over here is extremely appalling. Firstly, Gaurav Ahuja, who's driving a high-end BMW vehicle, parks his car right in the middle of the road, starts relieving himself on the road itself, and when a person who's objecting to it starts recording him, he appallingly flashes at the person who's recording the video as well. From the investigation perspective, Gaurav Ahuja has been arrested now from Karad. He will be produced in Pune court in some time. We expect Pune police is expecting to get his custody. He is a habitual offender. In 2021 February, there was a case registered against Gaurav Ahuja for alleged extortion attempt as well as for cricket betting. That time, the main accused in the case was a noted gangster from Pune. Gaurav Ahuja was a co-accused in this. Gaurav Ahuja's father, Manoj Ahuja, who's basically a hotelier in Pune, he was also summoned late evening yesterday because the car was registered in the name of Manoj Ahuja, who's the father in the case. Yes, Gaurav Ahuja has given out his apology, saying that his parents should not be bothered for it. But what he has done is unacceptable. And in fact, Eknath Shinde, the Deputy CM of Maharashtra, has assured, saying that strict action will be taken against a perpetrator who has committed this kind of a crime. Knowingly that it is wrong, he did that, and the other person who was sitting on the left seat of Gaurav Ahuja, he was seen with a liquor bottle as well. With respect to the investigation, several medical tests have also been done on Gaurav Ahuja to find out whether he had consumed any narcotic substance as well.
Okay, all right. Arunil, stay with us as we show these visuals to our viewers. So this is a video that has been recorded presumably by a person who was right behind the vehicle. He saw how this vehicle had been parked right in the middle of the road, and that's when he started recording this video. So this is where he starts. Look at the BMW vehicle in the middle of the road and the door also open. The man recording the video then pans to this man identified now as Gaurav Ahuja, who is urinating at a very busy junction. So there are vehicles around, there are people around. Without a care for that, he is seen in public in urinating. So public indecency, that's also one of the charges against him that have been slapped. But look at this. This is the next moment when he's seen laughing. So he sees that somebody is recording this video. There is no regret, no apology, and he is laughing at it. And this is where we were talking about the mindset, the VVIP mindset, that who cares if somebody is recording me, nothing is going to happen and I'll get away with it. So this is where he was seen, and you can look at the moment after this when he gets into his vehicle, well aware of what has happened. He knows he is being recorded as well. His friend is sitting right beside him in that vehicle. He's seen with an alcohol bottle in hand, which is why the police officials are also looking at whether the two individuals were intoxicated. So he's laughing here, laughing at the man who is recording the video. He, in fact, rolls down the window. We've cut out those visuals. He then flashes his private parts to this man who is only pointing out the mistake that he is doing. And then his friend tells him, advises him that it's not right. He is recording a video, so we may get into some trouble. And that's when they speed away from there within a few seconds, just zooming past from there and going there. The number plate of the vehicle has been recorded in this video. This is a citizen who decided to speak up and show this VVIP brat that this is unacceptable. In fact, the absconding accused Gaurav Ahuja has now been arrested by the Pune City Police from Karad in Maharashtra. He will be produced before the court later in the day. And in response to the public outcry, the Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has also vowed that anyone who brings shame to society will face serious consequences.
पुणे की जो घटना है वो घटना का जायजा लिया जाएगा और बिल्कुल जो समाज को लज्जा आने जैसा कृत्य करेगा उसको बिल्कुल बख्शा नहीं जाएगा, कड़ी कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
So viewers, the bigger question is, if this is a person who has been recorded several times before, there are several antecedents, why is it that he is brazen about it, continuing with this act? And look at the video that really shows you what actually happened. Broad daylight, the two individuals, the police officials are looking at whether they were intoxicated at the time or not. These two individuals are well aware that there are vehicles all around. They park their vehicle right in the middle of the road without a care, door left open, and this man gets down. This is Gaurav Ahuja that you're seeing on the screen. It's a man who has shamed himself and his entire family as well. And he gets down in this busy junction. He urinates in full public view. A man is recording this video and he points out that this is unacceptable. And that's when Gaurav Ahuja can be seen mocking him, laughing at him and flashing his private parts as he gets into his vehicle. His friend with him is seen with an alcohol bottle. What do you think is the action that should be taken, and what can be done of this entitlement, of this mindset? That's the question. In fact, after this entire outrage over the incident, Gaurav Ahuja, who was seen mocking the man taking the video, has sent an apology, and in that apology video, he says, spare his family.
मी पुढच्या 8 तासात येरवडा डिव्हिजनला हाजीर होणार आहे. विनंती करतो, प्लीज माझे कुठल्याही फॅमिली मेंबरला त्रास देऊ नका.
All right.